Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to joint square tubes correctly and so that the results are very strong even without welding. Okay, now let's see how to make it. Draw a line at a 45-degree angle using an angled ruler on the square tube and use another piece of square tube to make a line of the correct width. Do the same thing with the other square tube. Make a marker that can distinguish the parts that will be removed after cutting so that you don't make mistakes when cutting. Cut at the marked part. After that, remove the parts that are not needed. On other square tubes, you only need to make a hole using a cutting grinder along the specified line. Joint the two parts of the square tube together as you can see in this video. Bend and tap with a hammer until the part comes out tightly to lock the two square boxes. If you feel that the bent iron is too long, you can cut it to make it look neater. Very easy, isn't it? Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you like it.